ika-siyam na po, malapit na po yung 12, di ba? At sabi natin, nag-shift tayo sa 8 maids a milking. Ngayon, 9 ladies a dancing. Wow! Celebration to. Mga babae na nagpapadyakan and they are dancing to a tune. When you really live the gifts of the Spirit, itong 9 na to are the fruits of the Spirit. Nandyan po yan sa Gospel ni Paul, pero the most important of the gifts is love, joy, patience, kindness, generosity, at lahat yan. Basahin niyo po sa letter of St. Paul. At alam niyo, you will be dancing like these ladies. Kasi the Spirit gives you fruitful life of joy, patience, and love.